Yeah, you know what time it is. Uncle Glenn here, VRCM Skywarn. Right? The Ozark's finest. Guess what I got in the mail today? I got something. UPS. I supposedly won something. You know, it rarely happens, but I do occasionally have a, you know, the Heavenly Father shine down upon me and bless me with things. You know, pull some strings behind the curtains. Okay. So anyhow, I got this package today. It's from the reward system. Missouri lottery points for prizes. All those lottery tickets I find when I have to do first response, and we do cleanup and stuff, environmental services occasionally. And so I collect these tickets and I turn them into my gift store credit. I open an account. I don't really gamble and I don't recommend it, but hey, I turn these tickets in, I scan them with my phone, and they give me some store credit, and I entered a drawing and I won supposedly something in this box. I wish it would have been a large sum of money so I can get some dental problems I have taken care of. Anywho, oh, that's pretty cool. Whoops. Here's the box. Dun -da -da. It's a GoPro Hero 8. Oh. Came in this box. Oh, it's in a pouch. GoPro Hero 8 in a pouch. Oh, groovy. Now I don't have to buy one. 12 megapixels, 4000K at 60 frames per second, 1080p, 240. Water resistant to 33 feet, voice control. I don't know what that is, slow mode 8. Data overlays, time warp, 1080p live streaming, super photo, high definition, and raw something other. And it says hyper smooth stabilization 2.0. Okay. There it is, kids. Open this up. It has looks like it has a carrying case, so that saved me having to get one, right? Hopefully they came with some other stuff. Ta-da! Hero 8, black. Yeah, that's it. You get a USB-C cable. You get this, looks like some kind of a adhesive attachment with the thumb screw, and it slides and locks in there. You get the camera, a case. They give you some stickers and an instruction manual. But anyway, that's what you're going to get. So, comes in a box like this. This is pretty much the rudimentary plain, I guess the plain Jane. There it is. I want a GoPro 8. Yeah, make sure you've, you know, give them the pose. Because I guess I'm going to send this to the... yeah, you can either use this on iOS or on Google Play. Anyhow, that's what we won. So, it got here. After it took 3 days to get from where the actual GoPro manufacturing warehouse, I believe it was in Colorado. Took a couple days for them to actually... I tried to look it up on the website, but it didn't show any of my information on my order, but okay. But it got here in 3 days after it actually, the UPS label was created, in case you were wondering how fast it took. I'm in Missouri, of course. So, was that Colorado to Missouri? Yeah, I think it left, what was this, Thursday? It left Tuesday. Anyhow, there you go. That's what you're going to get. This piece comes out. I mean, you could probably keep it in there or leave it in there if you wanted to. But this comes out, and then you have this entire case. And I have other cameras to put in here, so I'm like, oh, that pretty much takes care of all that problem. I'm like, oh, another problem. Now I have cameras. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. And I have always have crappy footage, right? I'm not really into videoing things. I just like sharing my information and talking to people online and making friends if I can. I'm not really friendly, so I'm not good at making friends. I'm honest, but I'm not friendly. Anyhow, yeah, that doesn't work out for Abraham Lincoln, did it? He wasn't friendly, Abraham. He was honest, Abraham. So that didn't work out for him, did it? Apparently, the people want friendly. They want to be friends. Sorry, honey, I'm not into friendship. Alright, so you get this cable, attachment points, thumb screw, 3M adhesive blocking, I guess that's a helmet or surfboard maybe, or whatever you can stick this on that it'll stick to. Thumb screw. GoPro camera, pretty decent. This is a heavy duty, actually, camera bag. Instructions, and of course, yeah, they actually sent me some stickers. That's kind of cool. Is it? Yeah, these are stickers, I guess, of some sort. Yeah, because I got a bunch of other tool stickers and stuff I like putting on my tablet. So, yeah, that's cool. For your basic rudimentary, I looked it up online. It was I believe, a $300 hauler. I don't know what I'm going to do with expensive cameras. I'm not very good at this. I mean, I've been filming and videoing and doing documentaries and photographing things for a minute, but I'm just not that's not my thing. But anyhow, like I said, that's what I got. So you take your lottery tickets that you find, or they're unused, or they're losers, and you scan them with your phone, and it creates you an account. And they have an app. You download the app, you put it on there, you create your account, and every time you scan your losing lottery tickets, it gives you some draw points, gift store points. And so I entered some drawings and stuff, or it'll enter you into drawings. Right? So I actually won one. I only win, I think this is my third time winning, and yeah, I usually win like once a year or once every year and a half. Something. Right? Or I get enough gift store prizes to actually, what did I get last time? Oh yeah, that's how I bought the keyboard for my tablet that we just got done uploading. I got enough gift store points prizes, and I ordered that keyboard. And another computer part for the tablet. I think I got 50 bucks in gift store prizes, and they give you an Amazon gift card. So that's how we did that, I forgot. And I still have 25 left over, so I'm like, okay, got that. Yeah. Anyhow, I'll get out of here. I got things to do, it's getting dark. See y'all later. Y'all have a good week. Glenn Monroe, out.